We are currently in the Academic Year and Period tab. Here you will set up and choose the divisions of your academic year. The selections made in this tab will provide each of your students' accounts with a progress chart that corresponds to your unique academic year. First, click Add. Now enter the name of your academic year and start and end date. Please note, the administrator will need to set up holiday and school breaks in the School Calendar feature located in the dashboard. We recommend adding your school breaks to the calendar after you complete the full school setup process. Now you may select an academic period type. The type of period you select will affect the student progress chart. You may select quarter, which divides the academic year into 4 sessions. Or you may select semester, which divides the academic year into 2 sessions. There is also a trimester option, which divides the academic year into 3 sessions. The last option is for summer school, which can be used for any school period falling outside of the normal academic year. Once you have made your selection, the academic period name will autofill. You may change the period name if desired. Now enter the start and end dates for your period type. Remember, do not include any breaks you may have at this point. You will add your breaks in your school academic calendar after you complete the full school setup process. At this point, check the current year box if you created your current academic year. You have the ability to set up in advance any future academic years. If you set up a year in advance, do not select the current year box. Now click Save. You may delete the academic period by clicking Delete. You may also delete the entire academic year by clicking Delete. Lastly, you may edit the academic year by clicking the green Edit button.